Hey judges, welcome to my video for Agent.ai hackathon submission. As you can see, I'm creating an agent for blog post to multi-channels promotion. So the idea is that you already have a great content in the shape of blog posts. However, you still want to amplify to your community via various channels like LinkedIn posts, X posts, Instagram posts, and even podcasts to make it socialized and have people visit your blog post. And this agent will help you be more efficient because what you need to do is you just need to put the blog post. For example, I have this blog post from Devto that I just um, add out of random search. So this is about explaining AWS DevOps agent. AWS DevOps agent is something recently published by AWS during reInvent. So I just put the blog post URL here, and then I want to see what is the writing style for the promotion. You can say professional, casual, a bit geeky maybe, and then what promotion that I want to generate, and where I send the promotion content to. Okay, now I click it. So what happened while this is running, I will explain what happened behind the scene. So first it will fetch the input from the text and URL, and then the multiple item selection. For the promotion target, the URL for the blog post URL, and the text is for the writing style, and the email address for sending promotion content. The idea is that if the page was closed or something happened, you still get the email for the blog post, the promotion content. And then we scrap the blog post. If LinkedIn promotion target, I invoke other agent. The invocation of other agent is also to fulfill the requirement for using other agent as part of this hackathon. By the way, before I forget, I also enable webhooks, and the webhook call I submit through I submit via the HackerEarth platform in the source code zip file. Yeah, so I want to compete for both rewards, the webhook, and invoke other agent. Yeah, so there is other agent from blog post to LinkedIn post, so I just invoke that other agent. And then if and then I convert after I scrap the block, I convert the block into markdown, removing unnecessary HTML for further processing, because what matters is the content, not the HTML. And then if the Instagram is in the promotion target, I invoke Cloud Opus with this prompt. The prompt contain the markdown of the blog content, the writing style of the promotion, and then the blog post URL. So the URL is part of the promotion. Similarly, the same if X in promotion target, then the prompt for X is called for generating the promotion content. And finally, I convert the blog into a script or a text for podcast, and I generate the audio from that, and it will be somehow uploaded to S3 by Agent.ai, and the file can be uploaded to any podcast platform that you would like to use. And finally, send all of those to an email. Alright, let's see if it's done. So it's just 25% completed. Strange. last time I tested, it will finish quite quickly. I have no idea, perhaps I already um, used this many times. I don't know if there is a throttle on the LLM in this platform. Oh, okay. um, Finally one is done. Yeah, one is done. This is the agent invocation. Let's see the other. So you can also debug where is now. So now is calling the Instagram. Yeah, Instagram. Okay, maybe I will this will finally complete and become a full content. To yeah, here. So here Instagram post. Yeah, as you can see, this will continue with expose and then with um, what is called podcast. And for the podcast, you will see the URL later in the dev console. For whatever reason, it doesn't show up in the landing page. However, in the email, it will be there. So this is alternative 1 and 2 and 3, and I in my prompt I really asked for to be multi-thread, multi-tweet, multi-tweet thread. All right, almost done. I think if I switch, I don't know how this works actually, but yeah, there are some agent that was invoked like almost 200 seconds. That's fine because it's generating image and also various LinkedIn posts. Yeah, you see, it's very helping promoting our marketing our content. And yeah, I think this one is the last one. Let me check if podcast, right? Podcast in, right? This is podcast. Yeah, so it's true. If you generate only for one of them, it will not be this long, but because we generate for everything, it will take some time. But it's still the time takes by agent to um, generate all of this. Actually, you can use for other things, so it's um, not that bad because agent also needs time to think. Yeah, it's still invoking the here. So the invocation is done. Now should be the text to speech part. So we will need to wait a little bit. It generates the podcast. Okay, the video is almost 10 minutes for this demo. What I'm gonna do is that at least you see already how it works. So the final podcast will be available in this dev console and in the email that I put here. I will stop the video, but yeah, thanks for watching. That's my demo, blog post to multi-channel promotion. Thank you.